Assalamualaikum everyone. Let me talk about future ideas. I'm Japanese and to many viewers in Urdu-speaking regions, I'm considered to a foreigner. My English skill is not that high, and when it comes to Urdu, I'm not considered. I'm beginner, absolute beginner level. I cannot even distinguish between masculine and feminine speech. In fact, I don't really understand the difference. Despite that, I'm making videos, and not only that, I'm trying to make them pop, and I'm trying to make them popular. Quite a high goal, right? I guess so. So I have been thinking about what kind of character setting would be the best. Let me think. Let me think. So before I I give you my conclusion, I have a question. Do you know the novel of the Diary of a Social Butterfly? The main character is an fucking idiot, and her husband plays the role of the straight man. By the way, in Pakistan, the news media Al Jazeera is quite famous and highly regarded. So, there is one thing I can do. It's exhausted from trying to follow the husband Janoo, who is starting to act like a butterfly. Becomes the host of Al Jazeera and makes a little a little fool of himself. Don't worry, I'll make sure I do it in a way that's respectful. But if there is something culturally inappropriate, I would appreciate it if you could comment and let me know. Let me know. So probably think I'm doing something ridiculous, right? I guess so too. You're right. And probably get told just do your job or something like that. In fact, I'm already being told that. But in Pakistan, with a population of 200 million and become to get richer, I believe it so. I want to be a popular character in the region. Do you think it's real? Do you think it's ridiculous and cannot laughable? Just fine, just watch. I honestly cannot understand the English broadcast in Al Jazeera and have to rely on translation sites, translation applications, but I will make popular content soon. Write it for next movie. See you again and shukriya our pimlenge.